How to build your email list using Facebook ads. Ask any successful internet marketer why they collect email addresses, and they'll tell you that the money is in the list. The list they're referring to, of course, is their email list. If you want to know how to grow your email list, then you're in luck, because in today's presentation, I'm going to show you how you can build an email list using Facebook ads. Use Facebook lead ads. Advertisers who want to get qualified leads without making people fill out a long form find that Facebook lead ads convert extremely well. Lead ads are mobile optimized, and Facebook has done an amazing job of making the sign-up process extremely easy. When an interested user clicks on your ad, their Facebook information is already pre-populated on the form, so they no longer need to manually fill out their name, email address, phone number, etc. All they have to do is just click on the Submit button, and you'll have their details instantly. Boost your web content or blog post. One of the most popular ways to build an email list is by driving Facebook traffic to a blog post on your website. You then have an opt-in form pop up on the screen, or maybe your sidebar or the bottom of the post. Unlike Facebook lead ads, your target audience will have to enter their details manually. Now, this can be either a positive or negative scenario. It's negative because some people may be turned off by having to fill out their details. On the other hand, it's positive because you'll know the people who signed up are those who are most interested in your products and services. When you drive people to your website, don't forget to have the Facebook pixel installed first, so you can later retarget those who haven't signed up to your mailing list. Use a landing page. When driving Facebook traffic to a landing page, you would need to use an enticing lead magnet, such as a free ebook, a free case study, a 10-minute free consultation, a free trial, etc. An effective lead magnet will entice your Facebook visitors to enter their email address in exchange for your free offer. Not everyone will sign up, but for those who do, then you can be assured that these are high-quality leads, as these are the people who are interested in your offer. How to get started with Facebook ads on less than $5 a day. If you think you need to set aside hundreds or thousands of dollars to advertise on Facebook, you're mistaken. In this presentation, you're going to learn how to get started with Facebook ads with a $5 a day budget. Even if you have the money to spend on ads, you should still start small. This is to help you minimize the very real risk of losing all your money while you look for the best demographic segment to market to. For example, on the first day, you spend $5 to show your video ad to a cold audience comprised of 30 to 34-year-old females based in Phoenix, Arizona. You could narrow it down further. The next day, you spend your $5 on 25 to 29-year-old females based in the same city. By the end of the second day, you should be able to see which demographic is responding to your ad set. You can do more tests at $5 per day until you find the best and most responsive audience. Alternatively, if you're working off a custom audience from people who have visited your website, then you can try showing them different types of ads for only $5 per day. When you find the winning ad set, that is, the most popular ad that gets you the cheapest cost per action, then you can create a lookalike audience and then show the same ad to them. At $5 per day, this will translate to $150 over the course of 30 days. It's not a lot of money, but if you test everything, you will find the winning ad set soon enough. The point is, you don't have to go broke just to find what will work best for your business. If you try to advertise on other platforms, $5 is not going to get you very far. But with Facebook ads, there are plenty of case studies on the internet of people who have struck gold and seen returns anywhere from a few 100% ROI to several 1,000% ROI. When you see profit coming in from your Facebook ads, you can reinvest it to show your ads to more people. In a short period, you can go from $5 per day to $100 per day and further increase your chances of pocketing even more profit for your business. The 5 Facebook ad formats you should use for your online business. When advertising on Facebook, you can choose from many different types of ad formats. But which ones should you use for your online business? In this presentation, you're going to learn about 5 of the most useful Facebook ad formats you should be using for your online business. You can use a combination of these formats, or you can split test and see which produces the best results. 1. Video ads. One of the most effective and cheapest advertising options on Facebook is video ads. If you've got an interesting story to tell, or a product or service you know will benefit your target audience, then you should try using a video ad. Keep your video short, succinct, and interesting to catch your audience's attention. You can get video views for a fraction of a penny, and you can get an excellent return on your investment for every video view you pay for. 2. Lead ads. If you want to get higher conversions from your audience, try using lead ads. The traditional way of capturing leads is by sending your audience to your website, where they have to fill out a lead form. Thankfully, with Facebook's lead ads, all your audience has to do is to tap on your ad, review the pre-populated form, and hit submit. Lead ads make it so much easier for your prospects to sign up to your list. 3. Image ads. As the old saying goes, a picture paints 1,000 words. An attractive, high-quality, and eye-catching image is what you need if you want people to pay attention to your Facebook ad. The image should accurately represent what you're trying to convey in your ad copy. Try to use original photos, as stock photos, especially those from free stock photo sites, are overused and look really cheesy. 4. Offer ads. People love discounts and promo codes. So if you're running a sale or promotion, then you should try using an offer ad. Make the offer irresistible and let your audience know they're going to miss out on a great deal if they don't act quickly. 5. Collection ads. If you have a product catalog, try using collection ads to reach your target audience and boost your sales. When people click on your ad, it will pop up full screen, so make sure you use high-quality visuals to demonstrate your products and their corresponding benefits. Top 7 Facebook advertising facts you probably didn't know. With over 2 billion people actively using Facebook every month, and thousands more signing up every minute, it seems that everyone who's ever been near a computer or smartphone knows what Facebook is. But you probably don't know these 7 Facebook advertising facts we're going to be sharing with you in this presentation. 1. You can advertise on Instagram. Instagram was bought by Facebook in 2012. If you'd like to promote your ads on Instagram, you'd need to do so via Facebook ads. You can choose the Instagram option in the Ad Placement section of Facebook Ads Manager and Power Editor. 2. Facebook ads are way cheaper than Google AdWords. Google is king of search engines, but Facebook is king of social media. With the right mix of audience targeting and ad creativity, you can get clicks and leads for a fraction of a penny with Facebook ads. 3. You can easily create a custom audience. If you have an email list or enough data on your Facebook pixel, which you need to install on your website, then you can create a custom audience and target these people with your ads. 4. You can even create a lookalike audience. If you've got a winning audience, that is, an audience with high conversion rates, then you may want to reach more of the same people. You can do this by creating a lookalike audience. Facebook will look for people who match your winning audience. 5. Organic reach is declining. As people add more friends, like more pages, and join more groups, their Facebook newsfeed is bombarded with new posts and updates. This translates to a decline in organic reach. Paying for ads is the best way to get your content noticed quickly by your fans and your target audience. 6. You can change your budget anytime. If you want to test how Facebook ads work, you can spend a few dollars just to see how your audience will react. You can split test until you find the best performing ads, and then scale your budget accordingly. 7. There are over 5 million advertisers on Facebook. It might seem like a lot of advertisers, but when you consider there are over 60 million active business pages, then you can see there are plenty of opportunities for your business to make a nice profit too. Why you should install the Facebook Pixel on your website now. In this presentation, you're going to find out why you need to install the Facebook Pixel on your website, even if you have no plans for advertising on Facebook anytime soon. Facebook Pixel is simply a snippet of code that you need to upload to your website's header. You must have admin access to your website so you can add the code yourself, if you know how to do it. Otherwise, get in touch with the right IT person and ask them to add the Pixel for you. Here are 4 benefits of installing the Facebook Pixel on your website. 1. You can track and retarget people who have visited your website. When you have the Pixel installed correctly, you can create a custom audience in your Facebook Ads Manager and target those who visited your website. You can track the people who take different actions on your website, such as those who've signed up to your mailing list but did not make any purchases on your site. Knowing these details will help you segregate your audience into cold, warm, and hot audiences, and thereby increase your chances of getting more sales and leads. 2. You can track and optimize your Facebook ad campaigns. The Facebook Pixel will report the actions that people take on your website as a result of your advertisement. You can use Pixel data to optimize your campaigns and track your return on investment. As a result, you can advertise more efficiently, thus ensuring the best investment for your money. 3. You don't have to pay anything. Installing the Facebook Pixel is free. You can install it on your website and get data about your site visitors. You don't have to buy ads, but if you want to maximize and make the most of what your Pixel data is telling you, it's best to invest a few dollars and promote your business with Facebook ads. 4. You can track standard or custom events. If you want to measure or track certain actions that will further optimize your Facebook ads, you can install the code for standard events. Here are the standard events that you can track with your Facebook Pixel. Search, view content, add to cart, add to wish list, initiate checkout, add payment info, purchase, lead, complete registration. For more control over the type of events you want to track and measure, you can also specify your own custom events.